How to add a glitch effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your clip into the timeline and select it. Next, open the effects library on the top left of the screen and search for the digital glitch effect under the effects section. Then, drag and drop the digital glitch effect directly onto your clip in the timeline. After that, head over to the inspector panel to customize the glitch effect. You will find options such as glitch position, width, height, and chroma scale. Adjust these parameters slowly while previewing your clip to create the glitch style that best fits your video. You can also make the glitch effect more dynamic by using keyframes. Simply toggle the keyframe button next to each parameter and create changes over time to stimulate flickering or shifting glitches throughout your clip. If you want a stronger glitch effect, try increasing the glitch width and height, or experiment with the chroma scale to create vibrant color separation. Finally, watch your clip carefully and fine-tune the settings until the glitch effect looks smooth and fits well with your footage. And that's it. Now you know how to add a glitch effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.